All rise. Judge Vonda B court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1007, Boyd versus Salinger.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Boyd,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Recently I was demoted, and so I'm not making as much money, so trying to not pay as much money.
Okay. Is that the only, where were you working?
I'm still in the same job. I just got a worse part of the job. So I'm in sanitation.
Okay.
So basically I have to clean poop all day and make
This moment shows us something raw. A father trying to laugh through humiliation. He admits he's been demoted, describes his job in a way that's half joking but clearly painful. You can hear it. He's embarrassed, frustrated, maybe even a little defeated. Yet he still takes pride in what he does, no matter how unglamorous. Many parents watching this will relate, working long hours, doing tough jobs, barely hanging on, and still trying to meet obligations.
sure it doesn't get in the water, so whenever you're drinking, you don't have poop or hepatitis or anything like that in your water. I literally gotta sort it out, so when you get it, it's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
I won't drink that.
No, you can. I made sure that there was no. It's good
Okay. All
because
right.
of me. Yeah, but
Okay,
I
well,
get
thank
paid
you.
less now, so
I'll make sure when I drink water from now on to thank Mr. Boyd.
you're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. How old is the child?
He's 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
4-year-old boy. All right. So you have less pay now. Okay. And you're not in agreement to just decreasing his child support?
No, I'm not.
Why
I
not?
feel like he's lacking on his duties as the father. He also has another child with another woman. So I really don't think he's budgeting his money or time well, and I'm not going to accept his reduction.
Okay. So you don't believe he's budgeting right?
No, I don't. I think he's spending all his money on his new fiance and shoes.
So you're mad about that?
Yeah, I'm pretty mad about it.
Okay. Well, get over it. That's the first.
The judge cuts straight to reality with that sharp reminder, get over it. And as harsh as it sounds, it's the line many parents need to hear in moments like this. The courtroom isn't a place to process heartbreak or jealousy. It's a place to deal with facts. But emotions don't just disappear. The mother's pain is real. Seeing someone move on can sting deeply, especially when you feel unsupported. But legally, none of that matters.
Thing. Second thing is you said he has another child. So even without a reduction in what he makes, that requires an adjustment right there. Him having another child entitles him to get his child support adjusted.
Well, maybe he should get his attitude adjusted. I don't know.
Well, can you quantify his attitude into any type of money or anything?
I wish he could.
Well, we can do that, right? So, by law, he has a right to ask for a reduction in child support. And by your own admission, you gave me a second reason why he qualifies for it.
I don't really understand because we almost make the same amount of money, so.
Right. But he's the one court ordered to pay child support, right? Right?
Right.
Okay, so your income has nothing to do with what he makes. And if he has another child, and according to these documents, he did get a huge reduction because his child support amount was $850 previously. So because he has a second child, that by itself, the law allows him to get a reduction in child support, whether you like it or not, unfortunately. What are you doing with the money, just out of curiosity?
I'm supporting Ricky, our child.
By support, what are you doing for him?
I practically pay for his private school.
Okay.
I'm buying him daycare when I leave for work.
Okay.
I pay for almost everything.
Okay. What are you using it for on yourself?
Nothing.
So you were using all $850 for the child only?
Yes.
Okay. Because it sounded like it was for another reason.
When the judge asks how she spends the money, you can hear the mother fighting to defend herself. not just financially, but emotionally. She wants the court to know she carries the load, that she sacrifices for their child, that she is not misusing support. But underneath that, there's fear. The fear that she will have to stretch even thinner, that help will shrink, that she will be left carrying more weight alone.
Reason why you're so upset? Or is it just because of the new girlfriend?
Could be both.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. So this is what we're going to do. He has good reason, and he has shown proof to the court that he qualifies for his child support to be reduced. So we're going to go based off of what he currently makes. Says here on your W-2 you make about $41,000.
That's correct.
Okay. For one child, well, you have 2 kids.
I do.
Okay, so that changes. So what we're going to do is calculate that. So that brings your gross down to $3,287.67. Who pays health insurance?
He does.
How much is health insurance?
$129 a month.
Okay. He also gets a credit for that as well, for carrying health insurance. So his net comes out to about $2,725.36, giving you credit for your other child. That brings your percentage down, and your new child support amount is going to be $476.94. So I hope that you can pay the tuition and, you know, your attitude about him being mad off of that new amount in child support, $476.94. Can you do that?
Sure.
I mean, you don't have a choice.
When the final number is read, $476.94, you can instantly feel the divide. Relief for him, defeat for her. One parent sees a lifeline, the other sees a setback. And that's the emotional split in so many child support hearings. 2 people standing on opposite cliffs, both believing the child depends on their side being right. The judge reminds them this is based on law, not emotion, but feelings don't fade just because the math checks out.
It's really, but, you know, it is what it is. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Anything further?
Nope.
Anything further from you?
No,
You seem disappointed.
I am disappointed.
Why? He has legal grounds to ask for that.
I just wish he would pay attention to our child more, that's all.
Okay. So what do you mean by that?
He doesn't like our child.
How do you know he doesn't like the
He
child?
straight out told me before we came here.
Maybe he doesn't like his behavior. What is it?
Yeah,
about the child?
he doesn't like football.
Oh,
And
okay.
And that really, if I didn't like football, my father would probably have disowned me. And so he doesn't like football, and I think she's trying to, get him into like other stuff, like, I don't know, cheerleading or something. I don't know. And it hits me right here.
Yeah. It hurts my feelings too because I love football. Maybe you should encourage that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything further? Okay. You all are dismissed.
This case shows exactly why child support hearings are some of the most emotional moments families face. 2 parents who once built a life together now stand divided by finances, fear, and different visions of what their child needs. But the judge followed the law, looked at the evidence, and made a decision that reflects reality, not resentment. If you found this breakdown powerful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Your support makes every story possible.